These are the A, B, C, and D's of the truck whose job it is to clean all of the cut down trees of their limbs and of their branches.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Sing it to
Q, R,
me.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Scraping all the branches off, cutting the trees with a muffled roar, sucking logs into his mouth like a mechanical dinosaur. Powered by a big engine, he picks up all the trees the fella bunches set down on the ground and prepares them to be hauled into the town. Oh,
A's for all the wood he chews,
and B
for the branches he removes.
Now C
for the cuts that he delivers,
and D, the letter D is for delimber. To prevent an injury, it's best to stay far back from him. Logs can jump up or kick back when he is removing limbs. See how wide these big trees are and cut them just the perfect size. Some delimbers measure them. It's a noisy operation, working in the pines. Oh,
A's for all the wood he chews,
and B
for the branches he removes.
Now C
for the cuts that he delivers.
Oh, and D, the letter D is for delimber. A delimber's name also describes just what it does. A tree's branches are also called limbs, so a delimber's job is to remove the limbs from trees. It does this by picking up the trees one by one and holding on to them while it scrapes off the branches. Then it uses a chainsaw blade to cut the trees to the right length. Some delimbers can also measure to see how wide a tree is. They do this to decide what kind of wood it will be made into. Delimbers are very helpful trucks. They save a lot of time doing a job that used to be done by people with saws, who had to cut each branch of the tree themselves. Oh,
A's for all the wood he chews,
and B
for the branches he removes.
Now C
for the cuts that he delivers.
Oh, and D, the letter D is for delimber. Now where were we? At letter Q? Well, let's go then. They can work oh so quickly, barely taking vacations, using chainsaws just like teeth in these forest locations. Delimbers are so very useful and so valuable too. The logs they cut become our wood, and oh so many kinds of paper for you and me to use. Oh,
A's for all the wood he chews,
and B
for the branches he removes.
Now C
for the cuts that he delivers.
and letter D, the letter D is for delimber. Delimbers are so excellent, working almost all year round in any logging or timber zone. If you'll do no more than look, they're certain to be found. Oh,
A's for all the wood he chews,
and B
for the branches he removes.
Now C